Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to create a Kanban board on Jira. So if you're not familiar with Jira, this is how you can do that. Actually, upon opening Jira, you'll actually be given a choice on what type of project you want to work on. So you can select their Kanban already. But if you have no idea on how to do it, then we're here to show you how. So let's start the video. So here is your main project. Over here, just left click on projects and then select create project. From here, you have choices: IT service management, product discovery, top level planning, but top level planning has premium already. So we're going to stick with Kanban. Then here it shows you how to do it and the advantages and whatnot. So just click on use template. Then here, select a project type right here. So you have company manage, you have team manage. So there are, of course, different advantages between the two. So for this one, if it's just a small project, we're gonna go with just a team manage setup. Right here, just name your project here. So let's say our team name here is Tech Help Guy Team. Then here for the key, yeah, just like that. And then you can have it private or limited. For this one, we're just going to stick with private. So create, click on create. And then afterwards, once this is done loading, you will now be asked to invite your teammates. But you can definitely skip on that if you just want to like give the application a try. Definitely you can skip that one out. And now, automatically, this is what you'll be facing with. Automatically, Jira, the best part about Jira is that it creates the board already for you upon the creation of the board. So from here, you can actually change the titles of the card. So from to do here, you can change this to ideas or let's say plans. And then here you can have, so yeah, that's saving. Here we can say, oh, sorry, we switched the boards. Later I'll teach you how to do that. But yeah, let's click here, plans, and then here, let's say this one is ongoing. And then for this one, done. So that's it. So here we can create now our boards or our issues. So let's say what needs to be done. Let's say videos, let's say how to change Google account password. That's what we will be doing, or that's the plan at least. Plan. That's the plan here. Now, once you're actually done with this, once you created this plan already, you can change that. You can drag it, left click, drag it to ongoing. And then once you're done that, left click, drag it to done. And that's it. Automatically, this will be checked out. So as you can see here, if it's ongoing, it's not yet crossed out. But if it's done, it's already crossed out. And you can add more boards by clicking on this plus sign right here. So let's say done, then here for revision. And you can go on and on and on for as many as you'd like. And then here you also have your board insights, which is good because here you can stay up to date with like the progress and how far the board has come as well. And the best part about this is you can see the collaborators here on top. So you can actually assign collaborators if in case like you have a couple of members in your team. Then you also have a calendar available here for any schedules you have here on the board. You can definitely see that here as well. But that's for another video. For now, that's how you create a Kanban board on Jira. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button. And also comment down below if you're interested in learning more about Jira. And definitely will create more videos about this if you're interested. So follow us for more videos and don't miss out only here on Tech Help Guy.